In this tutorial, we will walk you through the steps to update the VAT percentage for both sales tax and purchase tax in Unity Enterprise. Step 1. Log into Unity Enterprise. Once you're logged in, go to the dashboard. Step 2. Navigate to Node Settings. From the dashboard, select Organizations. In the drop-down menu, click on Nodes, then choose Settings. Step 3. Update Sales Tax. Under Node Settings, locate and select Sales Tax. This will open the current sales tax configuration. Update the description from VAT at 15% to VAT at 15.5%. Then, in the percentage column, change the value from 15 to 15.5. Click the tick icon at the top of the screen to save your changes. Step 4. Update Purchase Tax. Still in Node Settings, select Purchase Tax. Change the description to VAT at 15.5%. Update the percentage value to 15.5. Click the tick icon to save your changes. All done. You've successfully updated the VAT percentages for both sales tax and purchase tax in Unity Enterprise.